Rainbow rocks are balls of color powder. Use them anytime you want a pop of color. Put them in your tub for colorful water, in a bombshell or bowl bath bombs, in bath bomb mix, in bubble bars. You can literally put them in anything for unexpected pops of color. For color powder tutorials, click the information icon. The surfactant makes the rocks strong and sturdy. Mix everything together well until the mixture is uniform. Dry the mixture 24 hours. Now break it up into smaller pieces and then allow them to dry completely. Spread them out for faster drying. After they're dry, I divide the sizes. Wire mesh works great for this. You can divide the rocks into small, medium, and large. Like I said before, use rainbow rocks anytime you want a pop of color. You can use a little or a lot, big rocks or small, one color or 10. I do recommend going easy on the rocks though, and definitely try to spread them out as much as possible. You can even put them in bath bomb pieces, bubble bath brittle, scoops, bath soak, bath tea, bath salt. Any bath product that dissolves in water, go for it. Here's a green, purple, and blue one. Look how each leaves a bright, colorful streak. Add rocks to water for a colorful and cheerful bath. Just go easy on them. They're pure color and very concentrated. You can always add more later. They do take a few minutes to fully dissolve. I even formulated bubble bath rainbow rocks. Ooh, look how beautiful. Sorry, I was mesmerized. I will get that tutorial out as soon as possible. I think the colors are beautiful, but I did add too many rocks, especially in some areas. I was going for a few unexpected pops of color, but instead I got steady streams of color. Thanks for joining me. Always read the description for helpful notes, updates, and the supply list at the bottom.